Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy S&P 500 index funds on Robinhood. First, you'll need to set up your Robinhood brokerage account. This process is quick and typically takes just a few minutes. Once your account is open, you'll need to link a bank account and deposit funds. Make sure your account is fully verified to avoid any trading restrictions. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth investment journey. Before buying, let's quickly understand S&P 500 index funds. These funds aim to replicate the performance of the S&P 500 index, which includes 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. They provide excellent diversification across various sectors. On Robinhood, you'll primarily be looking for S&P 500 exchange-traded funds, or ETF, as traditional mutual funds are less common on the platform. Now, let's find your fund. Open the Robinhood app and use the search bar at the top. Type in S&P 500 or common ETF tickers like SBY, IV, or VU. Once you've selected your desired ETF, tap Trade and then Buy. You can choose between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify your desired purchase price. Enter the number of shares or a dollar amount you wish to invest. After your purchase, it's important to monitor your investment's performance within your Robinhood portfolio. For long-term growth, many investors use dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy can help reduce risk over time. Remember, investing in S&P 500 funds is generally a long-term strategy, so patience is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.